Greetings, traders. It's Thursday, November 19th, 2020. Your cherry bomb trade is in today. Are you feeling frosty on home builders? I feel like I am. And that's also because I'm making a weather-related joke. It's really cold out here. It's 25 degrees. Now, I know if you're from colder places, 25 degrees Fahrenheit, I don't know what that is Celsius, but it's below zero. That may not be cold for you, but for me, right now, it's cold. And I feel like, if I were a home builder right now, or thinking about building a home, I wouldn't be doing too much work. So, why don't we take a look today at XHB, right? XHB tracks home builder in stocks and whatnot. So we're going to be looking at that one today. It has a liquidity rank of 3 out of 4. We're going to be in the weeklies, so that's going to knock down the liquidity. But of course, we'll look at that as we get in. Its IV rank is 17, so that's why we're looking at doing a debit spread today. That's a long put vertical today. We're picking direction. And in just about a second here, we're going to hop into the platform of choice here, which is, of course, ThinkOrSwim. And we'll take a look at why we can consider being bullish and how we could bearish, and see how we can profit from that. All right, everybody. Here we are. We're looking at the charts. We're inside ThinkOrSwim. But while you're looking at that chart, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Neil, and this is Option Theory. And you clicked on this video, and so I'm really grateful. Thank you so much. All right. So what we do here is we build out a portfolio using the paper money, the simulated trading part of your ThinkOrSwim platform. So great to have you here. If you're new, head on down to that description. You'll find a link in there. Just go sign up for Tasty Trades Cherry Bomb email list, because that's what we're doing today. Cherry Bomb. We do that 4 days a week. And on Monday, we like to do viewer suggested trades or viewer suggested stocks. So, hey, why not leave me a comment below with a stock ticker, like SPY or something like that, but that you'd like to see traded maybe this Monday. All right, everybody? Thank you so much. Right, let's build out this trade. So here we've got XHB, and we can see that we're near the highs. Boy, it's been climbing up, right? And we're near that upper band, and I don't mind being a little bearish on that one. Now, you can see, though, we have definitely been whipsawing back and forth here, so maybe we're on our way down, and so we might not be in this trade for too long. But I could also see it being someone would want to be iron condor like on this one. Problem with that is we're low IV right now, right? So you wouldn't be collecting a lot of premium, so you couldn't be all that wide. Well, anyway, let's build the trade. Head over to this Analyze tab, go to Add Simulated Trade. We're going to be in the December 31st weeklies, which as of today is 42 days to expiration. We're going to be buying the 58 put and selling the 56 put. And that puts us at $1 debit. On a $2 wide, right? If you're collecting, or I should say, you risking $1 to make $1, you should expect that your probabilities will be roughly, that's right, 50%. Well, let's plug this in. So now we've got our trade built here. Let's head on over to the risk profile so we can check our probabilities. Your expiration is January 1st, New Year's Day. Set that up here. Make sure that's set right here. And now we're looking at our price slice is set to break even. You do that right down here, set slice to break even. Choose it at expiration. And we're looking at a 53.7. We could round up to 54 if you'd like, or call it 53 if you want to be a little more pessimistic, right? Give yourself some fudge room. All right, so there we are, 53% probability of ending on or to the left of this gold line, or we'll call that probability of profit. All right, everybody? So that seems pretty good, pretty standard. Now, oftentimes we get hey, like I said, if you sign up for that Cherry Bomb email, you get it bright and early in the morning, and it's telling us that our P50 on this one is 65%. And as you know, I also have an account in Tastyworks, and I wanted to show you that. We have the trade built here, but I wanted you to see the numbers. Here's buying the 58, selling the 56, 42 days to expiration. It's the same trade. And I know this is hard to see, and I promise, I have zoomed this in as much as I humanly possibly am allowed to zoom it in here, which I believe is you hit this little gear over here and you can change that. 120%, they lock it there. Maybe I'll send them an email and ask them if they can increase that in their next version. But you see here we have a probability of profit, or a POP, of 70% is what they're saying. I don't know why those numbers are different. The P50 here is saying less than 1%, but let me just change these strikes. Let's go 1 expiration this direction towards being out of the money. And we're looking at a 62% P50, which is pretty close to the 65. So I'm feeling like our P50 on this one's got to be pretty close to 65 still. So if you're going to be doing this in your Tastyworks account, right, which by the way, I am not an advisor, right? We do this for educational purposes. If you're doing this in your real account and you're using Tastyworks, I'm curious, are you getting that same number of less than 1% for the P50? All right, so let's go on back to ThinkOrSwim here. Let's right-click this trade. Let's choose Confirm and Send. Review the fact that we could make $100 and we could lose $100. All right, with a 65-ish% chance of us coming back in the next 42 days, pulling $50 off the table and taking our money off the table at that point and saying thank you. I like that. I might even put this one into my Tastyworks account. Why don't I do that? I want to go ahead and make sure I'm on the same one, 56, 58, view and send. Here we are, send order. I'm actually putting my real money on the line with that one. Here is the paper money, and we're going to risk that one as well. So, all right, if you've made it this far, you know I like to give you a thumbs up. I really do appreciate that you've watched my video to pretty much the end. I just want to encourage you again. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. It really, keeps me motivated, and it's just great to hear from you. So you just say hi, say if you did this trade, give me a ticker that you might want to see done on Monday. I really appreciate it. Okay, so if you think I've earned a thumbs up, would you mind hitting that thumbs up, hit that like button? If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. We'll be here for you though, right? Subscribe or not subscribe. When you do hit that, would you please ring the bell? I'd appreciate that. And I think you would too, because you'll get notified when our videos come out. Until I see you tomorrow in our final cherry bomb trade of the week, happy trading.